I'm quite impressed by the fact that the first element or body parts that was brought about while we were a fetus was our asshole. In other words, the beginning moment is the asshole. Now the question is why? But it certainly doesn't mean that for some people we remain as assholes for the rest of our life. But I feel that there's a spiritual meaning to all this. The asshole is where we excrete. It is the point, therefore, we came in. For all of life, we will excrete through the asshole. And for 9 months, we will enter through the asshole. What an amazing irony. The physical body grew from the asshole. And so, the physical body will be released and slowly decay out of the asshole. Now this can only mean that the point of entry into the universe is the exact point where we will be out of the universe. Again, our presence defies a definition. You see, by having just one point, a definition is not possible. You can have a definition only when there is 2 points. But the universe will not present 2 points, but just merely 1 point. This simply means that the presence defies a definition. How do I apply this to meditation? When I follow my thoughts right to its end, I should actually enter back to the beginning, because the beginning point and the end point is exactly the same point. So what exactly is the beginning of a problem? The beginning of a problem is the end of that problem. If therefore I enter deep into the problem and look for its end, it should be the point of its beginning. And the beginning of a problem and the end of a problem being at a similar same point implies a solution. No. Many a times we are dragged into a problem. We are taken in by the images of the problem. We find ourselves going in and out, muddled with many thoughts. But we forget that going through the problem in this way, by thinking, will not lead us to its beginning nor to its end, and as such will not lead us to a solution. What you see here are the lines of thoughts that vary in our mind. Notice that the beginning of the thought is not exactly the same place as the end of the thought. I am referring to the content of the thought. The beginning of the thought is not the same as the content of the end of the thought. But thought has its beginning not at the content level, but at the thinker's level. At the thinker's level, the beginning of the thought is at the same moment as the end of the thought. So get to that beginning, for that beginning is one. Get to that beginning and find your solution.